this turn, we'll officially start our journey around Iceland. Minor detour for these waterfalls.
Uh-oh.
Look at this thing. Think it'll ever run out of water?
What's above?
Woo-hoo-hoo! Alright, Missy.
Oh my god.
Oh boy, this is muddy. You can like go right down there. She went down there.
That's like insane. I think I'm crazy. What is going on?
That's wet. Woo!
Oh my god.
Woo! Chaos.
Oh wow.
I am soaked.
Well, that was fun.
Is it worth getting soaked in Iceland?
Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. That is an experience.
So we're staying at Skogar. A lot of potholes here. At our campsite, it is 8:30 p.m. Another one. Our site. It's the mirror.